AI model for hospitality, video explanation, dynamic room assignment in hospitality project. Model by Pradeep K. Suri. Brain 1. Model overview. The video visualizes how a DNN-based AI model automates room assignment in a hospitality environment. It mimics human-like decision-making by considering multiple inputs and dynamically adjusting outputs. 2 inputs to the model. These are the guest-related features visible on the left input layer in your DNN animation. Guest ID. Room type requested. Booking source, website, OTA, agent, walk-in. Check-in time. Duration of stay. Season, summer, winter, etc. Loyalty level. Special requests. Each node represents a different feature that the AI uses to make decisions. Counterclockwise arrows button 3. Hidden layers processing. The animation shows data flowing through multiple hidden layers, each performing nonlinear transformations. These layers learn complex patterns like matching loyalty guests with better rooms, preferring standard rooms for short stays, allocating suites based on seasonality or special requests. Color-coded layers indicate different computational phases. Orange circle HL1, feature enrichment. Green circle HL2, weighted pattern recognition. Purple circle HL3, final decision shaping. Hotel 4. Outputs from the model. The right side of the network shows output decisions, including room allocation, shown as a yellow output node. Meal plan. CRM action. Upgrade offered. Final billing status. The animation ends with room allocation being dynamically determined based on the learned patterns and weights across the layers. Bar chart 5. Supporting visualization. You also visualized the DNN result using a bar plus line chart, simulated in Plotly, showing how many guests were assigned to each room type. Room type guest count. Standard 220. Deluxe 310. Suite 130. Executive 90. Family Suite 50. This helps decision makers monitor room demand and optimize resource allocation. Direct hit 6. Real world value. Automates intelligent guest room matching. Boosts revenue per room by optimizing upgrades. Enhances guest experience via personalization. Reduces manual errors and speeds up room assignments. Pushpin summary. The video illustrates how a well-trained AI DNN seamlessly processes guest attributes and outputs optimized room assignments. The visual flow from input through hidden layers to output shows the AI's thinking pathway, making complex, data-driven decisions in real time. Thank you.